Michel, lost in his thoughts about his uncertain future, walked through the crowded market without paying attention.
I have to make something of myself so I can bring my family from the village to live with me in the city.
Meanwhile, Betty, a young orphan, was deep in thought.
What a miserable life! I work from morning until night without a moment to rest. I care for my aunt, raise her son, and do all the housework. Yet whenever exhaustion slows me down, she beats me.
In the blink of an eye, Michael and Betty's paths crossed. Michael accidentally stepped on Betty's foot. Betty fell, and everything she was carrying spilled onto the ground. From that moment, nothing would ever be the same. What happens next? To be continued.